Today, I'm diving into the intriguing yet concerning world of deep fakes. As technology advances, the creation and distribution of deep fakes have escalated rapidly, leaving many wondering about the implications and risks associated with this phenomenon. Are you concerned about the impact of these hyper-realistic, manipulated videos? If so, this video is for you. What are deep fakes? Deep fakes are synthetic media where a person's likeness is replaced with another person's likeness. Thanks to artificial intelligence, typically this involves facial swapping, using a photo or video of one person and replace the face in another video. Voice synthesis, creating audio clips that mimic a person's voice. Body movement replication, animating a person to speak or move in a certain way, often making it look like they are doing or saying something they never did. Why do deepfakes matter? Deepfakes hold powerful implications for both individual privacy and societal trust. Here's why you should care. Disinformation. Deepfake can be used to spread false information, mislead the public, and manipulate opinions, affecting everything from politics to personal relationships. Privacy violations. Individuals can become victims of deepfake technology, having their likeness used in harmful or embarrassing ways without consent. Trust erosion. The proliferation of deepfakes can lead to a general skepticism towards video content, making it challenging to discern what's real. The erosion. The evolving technology behind deepfakes. Artificial intelligence and deep learning tools like generative adversarial networks have made creating deepfakes easier than ever. Throughout the years, the ability to generate more realistic and convincing deepfakes has accelerated. Here's a look at some key advancements. Improved algorithms allow for higher resolution and more fluid movements. Better databases of video and images help in training models to mimic facial characteristics accurately. User-friendly software tools are now available for various platforms, making it accessible even to those with minimal technical knowledge. Combating deepfakes. While awareness of deepfakes is increasing, so too are efforts to counteract their negative effects. Some strategies include detection tools. Technologies are being developed to identify deepfakes through analyzing inconsistencies and artifacts in the media. Legislation. Governments are beginning to implement laws aimed at preventing the malicious use of deepfakes. Public awareness. Education about deepfakes can empower individuals to critically evaluate the content they consume. In an era where a video can easily be manipulated to mislead viewers, understanding the implications and risks associated with deepfakes is crucial. As we navigate this evolving landscape, staying informed and vigilant will help us combat the potential damage caused by this powerful technology. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.